back to Leah's Life, and today I'll be doing a slime pet peeve video. Slime pet peeve video. I wanted to do this, and it looked really cool. So yeah, let's get into the video. This pet peeve is where your hands are all dirty, so that always is bad. So yeah. Next pet peeve is when people poke too slow, like it's not satisfying when you go like this. What? That's not how you poke. Excuse me. Gosh. The next one is when they poke too fast. I know you're like, no, how do you poke? You poke like a medium one. Okay, so let's do this. The next one is when they don't, like, they poke to the side. Like, what? Okay, so, like this. Like, what? What is that? You're not saying what. The next one is when they don't crack all the cracks. It's kind of annoying. So, like this. You know, you're doing your normal ASMR. But then, that happens. Oh my God. And not just that. Then, you do your poop. God, this is going to be a bad poop. I got all over my hands.
One of the pet peeves.
Okay.
That was bad, but it's okay.
Yeah, that's okay. And then they poke. And they don't. So this one is, we have one more, and this is the last one. It's when your poops are literally the worst ever. So like this.
So every time you do ASMR, it's your peeve?
Like, bro. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you are subscribed. If that button is red, that means you're not subscribed and like you haven't joined the family yet. So make sure you join the family. Make sure you like this video and make sure you comment down below what I should do for my next video.